currency update, 16th of March. Well, the most significant development over the last week has been a surprise increase in interest rates in Malaysia, and Malaysians have been indicated that it might be the first of 2 or 3 increases. Certainly caught the market by surprise. Nobody was really expecting them to be first mover on tightening of monetary policy in Asia, and as a result the Malaysian ringgit has been the strongest performing currency amongst the Asians over the past week. It's broken some pretty significant technical levels against the US dollar, which would suggest that the Malaysian ringgit has more upside over the short and medium term. As a result, we probably move the Malaysian ringgit up in terms of our preferences. So we're now long the Malaysian ringgit against the US dollar, with the Japanese yen and the US dollar remaining our favourite shorts. In this trend of tightening of monetary policy in Asia, I think we're going to see that cascade through a lot of the different Asian currencies. Singapore may be a bit later, perhaps second or third quarter, but in general we'd expect this trend to continue. Indonesia and also India also needing to control inflation and tighten monetary policy, and ultimately that means that their currencies are going to be very attractive from a carry basis, especially against weak currencies like the US dollar, Japanese yen, sterling, and even the euros. So in general, that trend continues. You want to be long Asian currencies and short probably against the majors. The other thing during the week that's been interesting is the Chinese currency. Some comments out from the government in China suggesting that they need to move towards a more flexible currency more quickly, and then a day or two later suggesting there were concerns about a double dip recession, and those things are obviously contrary in terms of where they're at with their currency. The US is putting more political pressure on them. Not that I think they'll probably take much notice of that, but ultimately I think we're moving towards that phase where we'll see a gradual appreciation of the Chinese renminbi over the coming months, and we're certainly still positioned in that regard. That's it for today's update, and we'll be back next week with another update.